The UK economy has shown signs of recovery, with GDP growing by 0.6% in the second quarter.
The growth between April and June follows similar levels in the first quarter, suggesting Britain's economy is rather stronger after last year's short, shallow recession. However, growth slowed to zero at the end of the quarter in June. Well, let's talk to Hailey Lowe, Associate Economist at the National Institute of Economic and Social Research. Hailey, good to see you. Welcome. So, the UK economy growing 0.6% in the second quarter. Huge relief all round, no doubt. How significant is that?
I think that today's strong growth is definitely really welcome, and it's really in line with what we at NISA had also forecasted, and it's also largely expected after the weak performance we had in the second half of 2023. So the stronger than expected growth that we have seen over the first half of this year was really supported and came in on the back of robust high frequency indicators like the PMIs that we have observed over the past few months and improving economic conditions. And to note that although today's data was a slight slowdown compared to the previous quarter, but overall it is still quite a healthy growth rate and an encouraging recovery from the shallow technical recession that we had in the second half of last year.
Now, the new Labour government might be quick to claim credit here. Is that fair?
I would say that the new Labour government indeed inherited a quite tough economy where taxes are high and then inflation, but thankfully inflation is falling and growth is on turning point. So I wouldn't really say that it's fair or not fair, but there are pros and cons to the side of the coin. But looking at the longer picture, the economy indeed is not really in a good state compared to the short-term boost that we have been seeing.
Now, tax rises are said to be on the horizon. Will that stop growth in its tracks?
I would say it depends on what are the type of tax rises that the Chancellor will be announcing in her upcoming autumn statement on October 30th. But in order to really fund the public services, which is really failing under and buckling under pressure, tax rises would definitely be one of the tough choices that the Labour government have to go ahead with. But then again, it really depends on what other taxes that they will be implementing. If, for example, income taxes, where it will affect consumption, or will it be the capital gains tax, where it will affect the richer more than the normal and the lower income households. So it really depends.
Now, we've talked about a snapshot of the past, if you like. Let's throw it ahead and look into the future. I mean, what policies are you expecting to be brought forward in the months to come to try to support this growth and economic recovery?
For once, I would wish something that we at NISA has been really echoing and championing a lot is the review of the fiscal framework, and also to have seized that really induce both private and public investment. The United Kingdom has chronic underinvestment for a very, very long time. And this is really evident in the infrastructures that we are seeing in the public services, and also to really reform the labor market that is holding back the economy, as you can see in the high economic inactivity rate. Investment and focus into the national health sector will also be very vital going forward as well. So these are some of the main things I would really hope the Chancellor will be really considering in her autumn statement.
We'll wait and see. Hailey, good to see you. Thanks for your time. Hailey Lowe, Associate Economist at the National Institute of Economic and Social Research.